In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a two-fold brochure template in Canva. We'll keep this simple and clear, so you can get a professional-looking brochure started in just a few minutes. First, head to the main dashboard in Canva. This is the home screen you see when you log in, where all your recent designs, templates, and the main controls live. From here, look toward the top left of the screen and click the Create button. This is your starting point for any new project and opens up Canva's search and template options so you can quickly find exactly what you need. In the search bar that appears, type brochure. You'll see multiple brochure formats, but for a standard two-fold layout, choose the bifold brochure option. Selecting this tells Canva you want a design that folds once down the middle, creating two connected panels on each side. As soon as you click it, Canva will generate a new design for you. Your canvas will open with a layout divided into two equal parts. Think of these as the two panels of the front and back when the paper is folded. This built-in split takes the guesswork out of sizing and alignment, and it helps you visualize how the brochure will look once printed and folded. Take a moment to orient yourself. The panel that serves as your front cover should be eye-catching and simple, while the opposite panel usually becomes the back, where key details like contact information, a tagline, or a call to action can sit neatly. From here, you can now design your brochure. Start by planning what information belongs on each panel so the reading order makes sense when it's folded. Keep headlines clear and concise. Use short paragraphs or brief blurbs for easy scanning, and choose high contrast colors that align with your brand or message. Prioritize strong visuals that support your content and avoid overcrowding. White space is your friend and helps important elements stand out. As you place text and images, be mindful of the fold line. Keep crucial content, like logos or phone numbers, comfortably away from the middle so nothing gets lost in the crease. Maintain consistent fonts and styles across panels to create a unified, polished look. Finally, step back and review the flow. Front panel to inside panels to back panel should tell a coherent story and guide the viewer naturally from introduction to details to next steps. And that's it. By starting from the main dashboard, clicking Create, searching for brochure, and choosing the bifold brochure, you're set up with a clean, two-panel layout that's ready for your content and style.